Dr. Augustinning, and I am doing a series of videos on the benefits of dry fasting. One today is really an interesting one because after you dry fast, and anybody who's done this, I know you guys that have, you have a feeling of self-confidence you just never had before. Because what you've done all by yourself, with your own body, with nobody's help, is fix all the problems that were wrong with your body. And you learn something about yourself. You learn that you can heal yourself. And that kind of self-confidence goes a long way to allowing you to do a lot of other things with confidence. It's that building strength idea. So yeah, you'll see that when you get done with a dry fast, you're gonna like how you view everything. All this stuff is different. You see the world with new eyes, so to speak, because you don't have the irritation and the background noise of being ill and all these low-grade inflammations. So that's the best thing, today is the idea that after the dry fast, life is better. I mean, that's all it really is. I mean, check below and read some more about this stuff. But if this is the first time to my channel, you might want to look below at some of the videos I've posted about what to do in dry fasting, the benefits of dry fasting, little tips and hints on dry fasting, and read the user comments. This technique has healed a lot of people's problems because I do nothing. I just give you the information for you to do it yourself. So yeah, you'll feel a feeling of self-confidence and power because you've taken the power out of the way of faceless entities and put it back in the hands where it belongs, in your own. Anyway, I love you guys. Thanks for tuning in. And please subscribe if you're new. Hit the like button, pass it around for other people to see it, and I will see you tomorrow.
Yes?
We have a message. Can you remind people to subscribe, please, sir?
What now?
Please.
Oh, very well.